Let's talk about this term niche. I think it gets thrown around to mean a lot of different things to different people. Some people say it when they are talking about design style, so like retro versus modern. Some people say it when they're talking about a group of people, so nurses or video gamers. Some people say niche when they are referring to a physical product or entity, so like mugs or planners or flags. And one of the most common ways I see the term used is when someone is suggesting that you narrow down on a specific thing within a category. So for example, let's take graphic design. Graphic design is a very large topic. So someone will say you need to niche down and tell people you do one specialized thing or you provide one specialized thing. So instead of I'm a graphic designer, it becomes I'm an apparel designer for bachelorette parties. Now this is wildly specific, and I would have to agree that that is a very niche subject. The technical definition on Google of the word niche is 1, a comfortable person in life or employment, or 2, a specialist segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. So obviously the second one is what applies to us here. In a sense, your niche can be all of those things that I mentioned, but also maybe not the most helpful word depending on what you're trying to figure out. Now stay with me. I think some people say niche when they just mean design style. One kind of follows the other if you think about it. You have to find out what you like or what you want to do or like doing before you throw other technical words in there, especially if you're just starting out. You also just need to get the practice in and learn graphic design and hone your craft before making some super big decisions like I'm a specialist in X, providing or doing Y. Just know that it takes some time to get there, and that's okay. And of course, you're welcome to use niche to define what it is you want to do or the style you're trying to convey, but whatever the case, just make sure it is clear to the user or the viewer or the customer what it is you do. If it's something that nobody wants or will buy or will look at, then saying that it's niche won't really matter. So again, think about how this term niche relates to what you're doing, what you want to be doing, and then go from there. Now, the 3 things I need you to do before signing off are 1, subscribe to the channel because this seriously helps us out so much. Number 2, like this video. And then number 3, comment down below what are your thoughts on the topic of design niche. Maybe you have a different and or better definition of niche that can help people, or maybe you have a great process for how you found your style or your niche that others can benefit from. And of course, if you have other questions or need extra help on a subject in graphic design, please comment down below. We love reading those comments and making more videos, and we will definitely check them out. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.